Antonio with Enhanced Movements. Today for Movement Monday, we're going to be talking about thoracic rotation. Many times we're talking about mobility of the mid-back or the spine. We focus a lot on flexion extension, which is crucial, but we're missing elements of lateral flexion as well as rotation. By adding those mobility exercises in with your standard flexion extension, you'll find that you get a lot more range of motion and results as far as stiffness reduction or range of motion improvement a lot quicker. This is a half kneeling thoracic rotation exercise. So what you're going to do is you need a wall here. Okay, so you're going to be up against the wall, half kneeling, one leg up, one leg back. Now, it's nice to have a short foam roller that you can pin in between your knee or a ball of some sort just to keep you stacked against the wall, right? So as I'm rotating, I don't want this leg to fall out. So by having some sort of tactile feedback to push up against the wall, that can help. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to have our arms out in front of us here. Notice my back is stacked above my back knee. I'm not leaning forward or I'm not hyperextending. Okay, from here, I'm simply going to keep this arm against the wall. This one's going to come out around me. I'm going to follow it along with my eyes. Notice that hip wanted to open up, right? Keep that hip pinned as you rotate around. Okay, and then you're going to come back. This arm stays pinned against the wall. This one's going to rotate. I'm going to follow with my eyes. Now, what I like to add here, too, is to get a little bit more reach. I actually reach this arm out a little bit more. Okay, so I'm not going to keep this glued so much, but if I add that little bit of extra reach with the arm against the wall, you see that little bit of extra rotation. Pelvis isn't moving, so that means that's coming from that spine area that we want to improve. You can hold for 1 or 2 seconds. What I would suggest, too, is taking a big inhale in. Exhaling and see if you can go a little bit deeper. And you come back and repeat. Okay, so that's going to be your half kneeling thoracic rotation exercise to improve the mobility of your mid-back. Improving the mobility of your big back helps with shoulder pain, helps with low back pain, and just really offsets a lot of the stress or the reduction in movement that we have throughout the day to just improve how our spine feels and moves, which has great correlation to everything you do. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have someone who's dealing with if you know someone who's dealing with some back pain or some shoulder pain or anything like that, please feel free to share it with them, and we really appreciate you guys tuning in. See you next time.